Hey everyone, my name is Clyde Harley, and you all know me from my Instagram at Clyde. And let me introduce myself. I'm a 19 years old aspiring artist based in Rome. I'm a Filipino artist, and shout out to every Filipino there and every culture and every country showing all love here. So what am I doing right now? So this is my first YouTube video, and I'm showing my process on sketching, doing like kind of ASMR thing. I'm showing you my process cause honestly I don't know what I'm doing still, and this is my first attempt on doing something here on YouTube to expand my creativity and not only draw but also filming on how I do things. This is a portrait of Kiki Youngs. She's an Asian makeup artist and she's really talented and she does very cool makeup. So I'm so right now I'm using again after a really long time deep pens with ink. If you see my Instagram, my style is basically portrait doing a dark aesthetic or living by the two opposite sides. So what does that mean? Whether it's really colorful like purple, orange, yellow, red especially, or I'm drawing really dark with black ink, and my main medium is pens, inks as you can see, and charcoal, which I miss a lot because I'm not used to it, and I don't know, I'm rambling so much, but after this video, if you like, I'm gonna do some art vlogs and showing more of my life, and yeah, I hope you all enjoy this one right here. And on the background I also put some music. I hope YouTube doesn't swing at all, but yeah, right now I'm doing I'm smudging the ink to create more depth and more, so the piece become more expressive. And yeah, I'm using my fingers a lot here, smudging, and it's really dirty right now. I can still, to this day, I cannot make the ink go out of my hands, and I don't know what to do. But yeah, that's the life of an artist. I still have 8 minutes. It feels like I'm talking to myself right now, but what is going on in my head? Because I asked some questions like a month ago for the people on Instagram, but I don't want to answer these questions here because I want to do a separate one as I'm getting comfortable talking to camera, so to my phone. Everything that is recorded, edited, it's all on my iPhone, and it's the old one to be honest. And yeah, I'm showing you my sketching style, and what should we talk about right now? So I started, for everyone wondering, I started drawing when I was just 2 years old. Obviously, I don't remember anything, but my mom told me that, and I started drawing since I was a little kid, and this art became a form of love for me, and loving in different ways, starting off, it started as a hobby, then developing into, I want to draw all the time, then to becoming more getting serious, I want to be this good, and sometimes in the having cons we have been using art as a therapy and showing that using art as a therapy and to escape from darkness and all of that stuff, but I don't want to get in depth to it right now as this is my like first YouTube video. And yeah, and right now I'm trying my best to learn how to love and how I'm learning how to love art as itself and exploring more what I like doing than rather what I'm doing and escaping, because at the end of the day we all use art to do whatever we want, but we always so bombarded with such problems, such negativity by society about by being successful and all that stuff, which I don't want to get serious now. And I got so when I talk, my mind wanders a lot. So if you sometimes my sentences doesn't really make sense, and I'm not really the best at talking in English as it's not my first language. Um, because my first language is actually Italian. So I'm gonna say ciao a tutti ragazzi, spero che vi sta piacendo questo video e sto disegnando ora e vi farò vedere qualcosa. So that's Italian, then I have English and Filipino, which I know the basics, but if you talk really fast I can understand. It's not like I cannot understand, but it gets very difficult. Yeah. Other questions? What can I say about myself? So I do not only enjoy art like drawing, painting, all of that stuff, but I also like playing music. I also love playing instruments. I play the guitar, the ukulele, and I learned the Titanic theme song on the flute like one time, and I say, oh my god, I can't do that. But yeah, I want to learn more and to I want to go more in depth on what I'm doing. And this year I'm actually taking a gap year from school, from university, because of COVID, and I don't think it's a good idea for me, at least to go to school and learn, to go in online classes and learn about art, because obviously I can't do that alone. It may be not so I will not become so good if I cannot talk. So basically what I'm saying is that I'm not going to school because I think it's not a good idea to go to have online classes about art and learning through a screen, because for me honestly I can learn that alone, even though it's not going to be that professional, but I will have more time. And of course, as you all know, like school like destroys you, and not in that way, but your creativity, because you get always nervous, anxiety, all that stuff. So I think it's a good year for me to take a break from school, and next year, if everything will be good and everyone freaking wears masks and social distancing and washing their hands, maybe we can get back. I hope so. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe if you like. I'm trying to making more videos later and doing this stuff, and if you have any advices or ideas on the videos that I can make, please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, thank you so much, and it's Clyde, and yeah, bye. And yeah, bye.